Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about TronRush smart contract and the TronRush Infinity plan, which is R3. Here the TronRush smart contract developers and admin have thrown a challenge to all the people working in smart contract that if anybody can prove that TronRush is centralized, then they can take 1 lakh TRX from them. They can claim 100 TRX, they can write to the admin and claim 1 lakh TRX from the admin. No other smart contract in the market operating today, functional today, can prove such a thing. So it is a huge thing and it only strengthens our trust in TronRush smart contract. Let's move ahead and understand what TronRush Infinity plan is, which is also called R3. Before that, let's talk about the TronRush strength. TronRush is on the Tron blockchain. It is a verified smart contract and we can start this business with a very low investment. There is no owner and no admin, and it is 100% decentralized and 100% transparent platform. And you can also build a team globally because of course it is on Tron blockchain and you can work from any corner of the world. Now let's talk about the R1 and R2. From R3 you also get a business which is called R1 and R2. So everyone that you sponsor in R3 will also move to your R1 and R2. That means that you only work once, you get partner for R3, and the same partner, when they activate their R1 and R2, will also move towards your R1 R2 plan, and you also start earning from them over there, which is excellent. Here in R1 and R2 also all the payment is made in TRX, of course, which is one of the strongest coin right now in coin market cap, and you also get a 10 TRS coin bonus for ID activation. What is TRS coin? Now TRS coin is their own coin which TronRush has come up with. It is their own smart contract coin, and it is the first coin of any smart contract in the history of the smart contract to be listed in the top DeFi exchange called JustSwap. It has a limited supply of 1 million. Friends, if you know, I know it is a comparison that I'm very tall comparison that I'm making, but even Bitcoin has a supply of 21 million, whereas TRS coin only has 1 million supply. So we all know that when the supply is less and the demand is high, the price will automatically go up, right? And the first 100,000 participants who activate the R1 R2 will get 10 TRS coin each. And in future, of course, the admin and developer are also saying that the TRS coin will be available for staking in the near future, which is obviously going to raise the demand and of course then the price of the coin. Currently the TRS coin can be used for buying coupon of top brands of 120 countries. So you enter R1 and R2 business plan from R3. You join R3 with only 100 TRX, and from there, once you have earned from the R3 business, you enter or activate your R1 and R2 plan with 500 TRX. The 500 TRX is divided in R1 and R2. 250 goes for R1 activation and 250 goes for R2 activation. R1 is a uni-level plan and R2 is a 2x10 force matrix. Let's understand how this business works here. Now, the R3 people in R3, whoever downline have joined you in R3, will also activate themselves in R1 and R2. The moment they activate, they will come under you in this way. Right, so whoever are your direct referral will be your level 1 in R1, and then they will be distributed in this way in R2, and whoever are your direct referral will become level 2 in R1, and in R2 they'll be distributed like this. But please remember guys, these are not new partners that you're bringing into. These are the same partners who have joined you in R3, and when your partners who are your direct referral in R3 join R1, then they become R1 R2, then they become your level 1 in R1, and when your indirect referral from your direct referral join, then they come in your level 2, and it is the same team in R3 which is moving to R1 and R2, which means that you're bringing one person in one plan, but you're actually earning from them 3 times because there's 3 businesses, R3, R1 and R2. Let's understand what is the R1 Unilevel plan. Now in R1 Unilevel plan, there are 12 packs that you can activate, and each pack comes with different amount of TRX. The moment you activate your R1, R2, 250 TRX goes for activation of pack 1, and your earning capacity becomes 750. You earn 750, you keep a portion of the profit, and you invest a portion into the system to enable you to earn more, and you activate your pack 2. You're with 600 TRX and your earning capacity will become 1800 TRX. The same way, there are different packs that you can activate up to level 20. Here, every time an downline activates a pack, 10 upline will get paid. Now in the blue box, if you look at it, this is the distribution of 10 uplines, up to 10 uplines. The level 1 gets 60%, level 2 gets 10%, level 3, 4, 5 and 6 gets 5% each, level 7 gets 4%, level 8 gets 3, level 9 2, level 10 1. Here too, you can refer unlimited number of partners, because of course they all come from level 3. All the direct partners that you have referred in 3 comes here in R1 as a direct referral. There is a 60% direct referral commission here, which is a huge amount. There is no flush out, which means that even if your downline has activated a higher pack than you, and you have activated a smaller pack than your downline, you will still be able to earn from that downline. You are still eligible to earn from that downline. It is not like other smart contracts wherein that income gets flushed out, or that downline with a higher pack activation will become your upline or move into other genealogy. Your downline will remain your downline, and you will always earn income from your downline and his network as well. Of course, there is a repeated commission from every pack, and also from all the direct and indirect referrals from all the 10 levels. R2 or Rush 2 is a 2x10 force matrix. This is the same ID that is placed in Rush 3. The same ID goes in Rush 1, and then again it comes in Rush 2 as well, and it is placed in Rush 2 as well simultaneously, right? And again here too, you do not require any direct referrals. There is a repeated 10% commission for every direct referral that is placed, that is there in R2, and there is a 9% commission from every pack that goes up to 10 line metrics. And in your metrics of 10 line, there's a total of 2046 partners. Here too, there's no flush out. The smallest pack of an upline is eligible to earn income from the biggest pack of the downline, which is absolutely fantastic. Now let's look at the compensation distribution here quickly, a glance. Here if you look at the distribution, the pack distribution or the line distribution of 9%, which is an equal distribution up to 10 uplines. Anytime a downline activates a higher pack, 10 upline will get a 9% commission, which is an equal amount of commission. And here too, there are 20 packs that you can activate with different amount of TRX. It's the same pack, the same TRX, but you have to activate it differently. If you have activated your pack 1, if you have activated your pack 2 or S2 in R1, if you want to activate in R2 as well, you can. If you don't want to, it's up to you, right? So you need to see from where you are earning the income. So like I said, there are different packs and there are different income. What special you need to notice here is that every time your downline, who is also your direct, upgrades to a higher pack, there's an additional 10% commission. So let's say there are 5 people who are your direct and they activate their slot 2 with 600 TRX, right? With your earning capacity, their earning capacity of course becomes 1800 TRX, and you will earn as a pack or line activation commission 45.9 TRX. But addition to that, you also get a 10% sponsor commission because they are your direct referral of 51 TRX. So which is an absolutely fantastic unique thing here, because you are not only getting the pack activation 9% payout, but you are also getting a direct sponsor commission if they are your direct people. The business is actually rewarding you for bringing new partners into the system through direct sponsor. Now let's talk about the Global Community Fund. 15% is deducted from every slot of Rush 1 and Rush 2, which goes to the Global Community Fund. Now, what is a Global Community Fund? Global Community Fund is the fund that is used for the expansion of the TronRush community via social media. What are the social media that is used for the promotion? One is YouTube. If you are a YouTuber, and let's say you have a subscriber of 1,000 people, then if you are promoting TronRush in your YouTube channel, then you can actually claim 500 TRX for that. You just need to write to the admin, share your details, and 500 TRX will be transferred to you. We all have Facebook profile, right? If we have Facebook profile and we have 1,000 friend list over there, we promote TronRush in our Facebook profile, we can also claim a reward for 50 TRX. And we all have WhatsApp with us, right? Even if we are not a YouTuber or we are not active in Facebook, we don't have such a huge friend list, or we don't have a Facebook profile, we all have WhatsApp. So if we create group of 200 members, then also we can get awarded with 500 TRX. But all group members must be unique in all the groups, which means if you have created 10 groups of 200 members each, those 10 groups must not have duplicate members. All the members in each group must be unique, must be different. That is what it means. The wallet that you can use to start the TronRush business is TronLink Pro. You can start the business with a bare minimum of only 100 TRX, and of course we advise, because there are gas fees that is required, and also because the smart contract, the IDs that you're going to that is going to be placed here is directly in the blockchain and not on the DApp. There will be gas fees, and sometimes the gas fees are low, sometimes it is more. So we generally advise at least have 40 TRX or even more. If you think that the gas fees is more at that point of time, then do put in a little bit extra TRX. We ideally advise you should have a minimum of 140 TRX in your TronLink wallet to activate your ID in R3. The support that you get in TronRush business is there is everyday Zoom meeting that is conducted. They also have Telegram groups. They have official channel and official group. Official group is the TronRush official community, and their official channel is the TronRush official. You can go to the Telegram and join this to be updated with all the latest happening in the business. All the latest details you will get in this Telegram groups and channels. And of course, you can also go to their website, which is tronrush.io, and get more information about this. So friends, I hope the plan is clear to you, and in fact this is an excellent opportunity. We do not see many smart contracts. I in fact have not seen a smart contract where you can start the plan with a bare minimum of 100 TRX. If I convert that into INR, it is just 500 rupees, less than $10 in fact. So it's an excellent business, it's an excellent opportunity, 100% transparent. In fact, the admin and developers have also thrown a challenge that if anybody can prove that this smart contract is not 100% decentralized, then they can take 1 lakh TRX from the admin. They can claim that, they can take that as a reward. And trust me guys, this business has been here since November, December, and nobody has been able to claim that. So for 2-3 months, this smart contract is here, and it is a completely 100% decentralized. People are working on it. In today's time, when the smart contract are there for 2 days, 3 days, they come, they start, people join, and the next day the smart contract is shut. This smart contract has been there for pretty long time, and that itself says a lot about it. So friends, if you have any queries, do reach out to me. My details are in the description below.